Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily share control, or that's better wording, how you can share some privileges in Cisco Webex meetings. So you need to be host for that, and when you host you want to click here on participants and you can assign privileges. So this is the first, the all participants, and you will see the participants here and you can just like privileges. Okay, but when you're gonna click here, you're gonna have like change role to, you can go like with the host and presenter. And if you assign the host role to another participant, that person will have control of the meeting. Do you want to assign the host to Marcus Stone? Yes, sure. Let's do this. And that's how we do it right now. And when I would click here, I'm a host already. So this is how we can actually do it. And this is how you assign roles, share control and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.